So if you're checking your own irrigation, you want to make sure to walk the property thoroughly. If you have drip at any of your beds, you want to have those pressure up first before you check everything out. So give it a minute to pressure up. You'll hear the air coming out. And then you can walk throughout the entire bed to check it all. Because even though you may not see it in the first minute, but if you give it some time, you can get something really small like this to come out. And that is just a tiny hole. Most likely probably from either trimming the bush, an animal biting into it, or just it rubbing on something over time. There are a number of reasons. That's why we check the drip tubing often. It is a water saver, but it is a little bit more maintenance to stay on top of to make sure you don't have any problems like this. That is an extremely easy fix with just a coupler. You just cut the tubing, put the coupler on, and you can keep it going. All right, if you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks, bye.